Hey everybody, today's probably gonna be my last day, so if you want a job, they're hiring. But I come in to Dollar Tree. I don't know why that's there, but this is pretty much how I have it every morning. Left stuff overnight that they should have put up. Stuff on the floors. Damage is not done. Reshop not put up. Let's do up and down every aisle here. You can clearly see stuff in the wrong spots, stuff not properly put up. Stuff on the floors. So the store wasn't clean last night. Check out the frozen. Starting to get empty. Shelves are bare. Just because I take a day off doesn't mean that they should be doing that. Stuff in the wrong spots. Stuff on the floors. How hard would it be to just pick it up and move it? See? Again. Just pick it up. Put it up. And sandals. Wrong spots. Look at the end caps. There's stuff that's not supposed to be there. Like this is fell down. This is here, blocking traffic. Again, really? How hard would it for them to go through this at night and fix it? Stuff on the floor, bags actually even open, so the item was stolen. There's another one. Let's check the back room out. Look, trash. Trash, trash. Nobody even bothered to empty any of these U-boats while I was gone. So this store will be going to hell in a hand basket when I quit, which I'm probably going to do today. Look at all this food we still have that needs to be put up that wasn't even done because I didn't come in to do it. Look at this messy area. Want to see the freezers? You might as well see the freezers. Check it out. Freezer. This shouldn't be in the way blocking the freezer. Check it out. Freezers. Safety speed check. Look at that, stuff on the floor. Stuff in the sections that are not supposed to be, like I said, on the floor. We didn't get no toilet paper in. Again, stuff on the floors that's not supposed to be there. St. Patrick's Day stuff. So hard to pick it up. See? Stuff on the floor. What is that? That's Christmas. What's it doing still out? Our Valentine's Day. Easter section now. This, they didn't even bother to fix. Toy section. Yeah, and stuff on the floor that they could have didn't even bother to pick it up. And attempt to put it in wrong. And didn't even pick it up and attempt to put it somewhere, anywhere other than the floor. Wrapping. Again. Stuff not even attempted it. These on the floor. Happy birthday hats on the floor. I wouldn't even bother. A balloon that's down. Stuff in the wrong spot. Check this out. Whole basket in the wrong spot. This is the kind of shit I have to deal with when I come in. No work done whatsoever. Plus, if we hadn't put this table, it would be so easy for thieves to break out there and come in. They should put a whole shelf here. Anyway, that's the Dollar Tree walkthrough haul. Walkthrough, y'all. So now y'all know what a Dollar Tree looks like in the morning when no people are out. Anyway, remember, God is good all the time. All the time, God is good. Keep on gaming. Like, comment, subscribe, share. Jesus loves you, Jesus God, Jesus Lord, Jesus King. Jesus is ruler. Oh, employees only. I don't care anymore. This is our break room. Our regional manager is supposed to be making his office over there. And this is where our district manager has his office when he's not doing anything. Later.